deliver everything you need for big screens in big venues. Packed with 5,200 lumens of high brightness, these projectors are guaranteed to shine in virtually any environment. Thanks to SuperColor technology, content is brought to life with captivating color, crisp graphics, and stunning videos. From large boardrooms to auditoriums and more, our Pro 8 series of projectors will meet all of your professional installation needs. Providing more than a little wriggle room for easy, no-hassle installation, ViewSonic's Pro 8 projectors are loaded with options for extreme mounting flexibility. A vertical lens shift feature offers up and down adjustments of the projection lens for flexible placement. Horizontal and vertical keystone correction and a four-corner adjustment feature eliminate crooked and distorted images for a perfectly proportioned picture every time. A wide 1.6 times optical zoom provides more mounting flexibility over a standard optical zoom. What's more, a centered lens design makes this projector ideal for replacing existing centered lens installations without moving or reinstalling ceiling mounts or projection screens. Smart and convenient design features include a hidden porthole compartment that features an MHL HDMI port paired with an optional HDBT adapter that provides a perfect combination of audio and video performance via network cable. A centrally located, easy-to-use power button also functions as an IR receiver and control for remote devices, while intuitive LED lights indicate whether any dongles are powered on within the porthole compartment. And with our powerful Sonic Expert technology, you can expect room-filling sound for an incredibly immersive experience that will engage and wow your audience. Ideal for use in even the most demanding of environments, our Pro 8 high-bright, high-resolution projectors deliver the best projection technology for the installation market, all backed by ViewSonic's industry-leading 3-1-1 warranty. Captivate your audience today. For more
by the picture quality that I saw in front of my eyeballs. So this is a 4K HDR projector with 3,500 lumens of brightness, so you're getting 8.3 million pixels of awesomeness hitting your eyeballs. There's two HDMI ports for connectivity, which means you can connect something like the Apple TV and an Xbox, or even throw your computer screen up on the wall if you want to. The 4K is incredible. It seems as sharp and as detailed as any TV I've tried. The HDR is so nice too. It's what you'd hope for in HDR. It really pops, and again, I was surprised. So after I turned it on, my very next action was to test how this worked with ambient light or daylight pouring in from the windows. This thing is bright, like 2,000 lumens is fairly bright, but this is 3,500, so for a projector, this is really high quality. So price versus performance. It's crazy to me that you can get effectively 300 inches of 4K HDR goodness for this price. I mean, you're not getting that with a TV at whatever the price. This projector definitely, absolutely, positively